Hi, let's select Total Parts Pro. Today we have a 2013 Mitsubishi Challenger, stock number 7186. It's run from 2009 to the 12th 2015. It's a 4056 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a 4056 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight, spare wheel, left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door has wobbles. Left rear 16-inch factory magnet tyre. Rear tailgate. Right rear 16-inch factory magnet tyre. Right rear and right front door has wobbles. Right front door mirror. Right front guard 2 dents. Right front 16-inch factory magnet tyre. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, head AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, active 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,